Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin with a photo and a browser. Open Instagram on desktop because you need developer tools. Once the post with the photo is visible, right-click the image and choose Inspect to reveal HTML. Make sure to toggle the element picker and click the image element. This exposes the image URL and nearby data attributes. You need the URL or the post link now. Keep the browser console available for the next steps so you can copy values quickly. Now you dig into the page source to find identifiers. Once you locate the img src, copy that image URL. Make sure to also capture the parent anchor with the post link. Next, search the page for shared data or window. Shared data in the HTML or the network tab. These often contain the numeric media ID or shortcode. Use the browser's find Ctrl+F for terms like media ID, shortcode, or owner. This gives you the key piece needed to map to an account ID. With shortcode or owner info in hand, convert it to a numeric ID or fetch the profile page HTML to find profile page or user ID. Once done, paste the shortcode into a conversion routine or decode base 62 to numeric. That yields the media or owner ID. If only username exists, open the profile and inspect page source for the user ID field. If data is obfuscated, clear cache, log out and back in, or use the network tab.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.